Good morning, children. Welcome to our social science class. Children, do you like to dance? I like to dance. How many of you know to dance, children? Today, we are going to learn about folk dances. Children, what is folk dance? What is folk dance? A popular dance considered as part of the tradition of a particular people or area. A popular dance considered as part of the tradition of a particular people or area. Popular, popular, dance, 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 considered, 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 part, part, tradition, 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 particular, 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 people, people, area, area. Now we are going to see Kolatam, Karagatam, Poikal Gudirayatam, Mailatam. First one is Kolatam. Kolatam is also known as stick dance. Is one of the most popular dance in the Andhra Pradesh state of India. It is a rural art usually performed during village festivals. It is a combination of rhythmic movements, songs and music. In early days, the dance was performed by women only. Gradually, the changes occurred in this dance and now the dance was performed by both male and female. The dance is performed by 8 to 40 artists as a group and each two artists grouped as a pair. Each one holds the two sticks and moves the sticks according to their leader movements. The leader means a person handles the whole performance of the group. Actually, there are two circles formed before dance performance. One group is around inner circle and another one is around the outer circle. The circles move in opposite direction by following the rhythmic dance and hit the sticks from two circle artists with rhythmic sounds. Children, second one is Karagatam. Karagatam is an ancient folk dance of Tamil Nadu performed in praise of the rain goddess Mariamman. The ancient Tamil epic says that this type of dance derived from Bharadam and a mixture of multiple forms of Tamil dance forms like Bharatanatyam, postures and mudras. The offering of this dance is to the goddess to bless rain. The dance accompanies songs like folk Carnatic. The performers balance a pot on their head. This dance is divided into two types. First one is Attakaragam, symbolizes joy and happiness. It is mainly performed as entertainment. Number 2, Sakti Karagam is performed only in temples as a spiritual offering. Children, third one is Poikal Gudirayatam. Poi means false. Kal means leg. Kudirai means horse. False leg horse. Poikal Gudirayatam or Puraviyatam is one of the folk dances of Tamil Nadu. It is a type of dance performed with a dummy horse having a gap inside so that a person can fit into it to perform the dance. This folk dance needs much training and skill to perform. The show is performed by men as well as women. This artistic performance is generally arranged during religious festivals and provides entertainment to the masses. South Indian folk dance instruments such as kundalam, tawil, nadaswaram, pambai and talam. Children, fourth one is Mayilatam. Mayilatam is an artistic and religious form of dance performed in the Hindu temples of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Mayilatam performers wear costumes from head to toe like peacock with beak that can be opened and closed using a thread and perform specific dances. The performers dance on a tall piece of wood attached at the end of their feet. This art requires extensive training and practice. This dance is performed in all Murugan temples as a tradition during festivals. But due to the difficulties in practice and less amount of wages for the dancers, the number of Mayilatam performers is decreasing. Children, let us see the hard words from the lesson. First one, popular. Popular. P-O-P-U-L-A-R. Popular. P-O-P-U-L-A-R. Popular. Number 2, tradition. Tradition. T-R-A-D-I-T-I-O-N. Tradition. 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 Number 3, performance. 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 Number 4, ancient. 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 Number 5, spiritual. 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 Number 6, entertainment. 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 Number 7, Nadaswaram. 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 Number 8, costumes. 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 Number 9, rural. 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 Number 10, epics. 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 Thank you, children.